Good morning, children. 9B students, please study this new chapter, linear equation two variable. You know that linear equation is the equation whose degree is 1. That is the maximum power of the variable x or y is 1. You know, linear equation in one variable is x plus 5 is equal to 9. That is called linear equation in one variable. You see here one more equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable because only one variable x is here. Now you can find the value of x here. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. You can locate it on the number line on the negative x-axis. That is minus 5 by 2, minus 2.5. Now another equation is x plus 5, y is equal to 176. Here x and y are two variables and their maximum power is 1. So this is linear equation in two variables. Now we have to learn about the linear equation of two variables. So for example, here you see 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37, x minus 4 is equal to root 3y, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y, 2x is equal to y. These all are linear equation in two variables. In fact, the general form of linear equation in two variables ax plus vi plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation in two variables, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is constant term. Now we have to change or write the coefficients a, b, and c in the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. We can write here 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to 3, and value of c is equal to minus 4.37. So you can write any equation in two variable and write their coefficient a, b, and c, constant of c. So you can do all the questions here, change into the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and you have to write the value of a, b, and c. Next is if the equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, here you see that the second variable y is not given. So we can write here in the form like this: ax plus 0 into y plus b is equal to 0. That is 0 into y is 0. So here the value of a is there, value of b is equal to 0, and b is constant term here. So here it is written x is equal to minus 5, or x is plus 5 is equal to 0. You can write x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 5, plus 5. So you can write any equation in the form of linear equation two variable in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and you write the value. You can write the value of a, b, and c. Exercise 4.1 is there. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Now you have to suppose the cost of a notebook be rupees X and that of a pen is Y. So you can write the linear equation to variable, that is the cost of pen. Notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Now cost of notebook is X and that of pen is Y. So X is equal to 2Y. We can write X is equal to 2Y or X minus 2Y is equal to 0. And this is the equation in the two variable. Now express the following linear equations in the form of X plus B plus C is equal to 0 and indicate the values of A, B and C in each case. Now in the first question you see 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar on 5. So we can write 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 recurring. So you can write A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 9.35. So you can do these questions. Now do exercise 4.1 in your homework notebook and send your response.